Hello, my dear lovely viewers. Today I thought to guide you on a way that could make money through giving a financial advice. But later, when I thought I am not a right person who handles money carefully, and in fact, according to my parents, relatives, and even my friend circle, I am not a good person who spend money wisely. The famous Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan once said, "It is not by reducing your expenses you save money, but by increasing your income." Increase your income sources to live a life you want and enjoy each moment as it comes, whether it is good or bad, or else you will also die one day without living the life you always wanted to live. But I thought still this advice may help many of my lovely viewers. If you follow this, you won't lose your money, that I can assure. Only one thing you need to do in life, other than a person who bothers you for your expenses or who questions you about your expenditure pattern. Don't discuss your income or multiple sources of income with anyone in life. Those who didn't understood what I said now, sit in silence and think little deeper. Hope you all love today's content. For training requirements, you can contact me on the number given in description. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Kumar, the hospitality trainer, signing off to bring more interesting contents on your screen. Until then, bye-bye.